The latest headline food inflation comes at no surprise to many Nigerians. For a country of 180 million and a young people component nearly 80%, Africa's most populous nation surely has plenty of hungry mouths to feed. But what worries the man on the street was how a country with vast arable land, a temperate weather, and a tradition of agriculture suffers from inadequate food supply and a steady increase in the prices of basic and staple food products.
It affects your buying power. What it means also is that you are not able to pick very important items that you should have. So the items you have in your list will generally reduce.
For the economists and analysts, the answers to Nigeria's stubborn high food prices lie partly in poor infrastructure and the wave of insecurity in areas such as the Northeast and the Lake Chad region.
Fulani herdsmen are being pursued by the same climate change factors, because they're being pursued because the arid area is fast depleting.
But as far as market prices and the dinner table are concerned, many Nigerians believe the authorities are barely scratching the surface.
We are not finding it funny. It's not like this before. It's not like this. It's the economy. I would like say it's the government of today. It's the government, It's government, They should do something.
Like other previous administrations, the Buhari's government has a big task of providing adequate food products and at prices that are tasty to Nigerians. Bosun Omofaye, Channels Television News.